Starting a jam on Spotify is a fun way to share your music with your friends and listen together, even when you're far apart. So maybe you're not sure how to set it up, but don't worry, I got you covered with everything that you need to know. So first, make sure that you and your friends are connected on Spotify. Then, go to the Spotify app on your phone or your computer and look for the group session option. This is where you can start your jam. You're going to be able to invite your friends by sending them a link. Another great idea is to create a collaborative playlist that everyone can add songs to and listen to together. Now, if you want to get even more creative, you can add some custom themes or challenges to your jam to make it even more fun. And it's a great way to bond and share new music. All right? So are you ready to start your first Spotify jam? Let me know in the comments if you eat too much jam and peanut butter sandwiches. See you later. Love ya. Ciao.